Hello everyone, this is Julian from Kanen Coffee, and today we got this DeLonghi Magnifica in the shop with us today. And pretty much what was happening is water was not flowing into the machine at all when you try to turn it on. Also, when you try to brew espresso, the transmission in the middle wouldn't move the brew group into the right places. So pretty much what we did was a tune-up completely on your machine, took your whole brew group out, put a brand new one. Also lubricated the transmission that pulls the brew group up and down. Descaled your machine also, and what we did is we replaced the water pump because the water pump, I have the older one here, let me find it. The water pump is from 2012. Usually water pumps go out within 5 to 7 years. Of course there is exceptions to the rule, but usually we'll want to change it between then. So we're gonna test all the functions of the machine, starting with Espresso. This is a double shot. Also put new spouts in the machine. These are older ones. As you can see, crack right through the middle, and this will leak onto your door and leak everywhere, as you can see. We're gonna let it do a shot. Looking great. That is a good shot right there. Also, we're going to test the hot water function by moving this over here, hitting this button, and turning it on. Steady stream of hot water. Now we're going to test the steam function by just hitting this. Water is going to come out for a few seconds while it heats up, and then steam will start pumping out. That's working well. And that's about it for this repair. If you like this video or any of our other repairs on our channel, leave a like, subscribe, and hit the bell. Thanks for watching.